you can fucking achieve the absolute impossible. You don't need great parents. You don't need like a private school. You don't need to have this humongous GPA and all this other shit. What you need is the one thing I talk about in my book, which is straight up brutal work ethic.
My brain does not have processing power, storage, and efficiency because it's a freaking music distributor.
Right, this shit crazy.
Hey, I'm about to be disparate and fair. No one as we lacked upon the life. Lack of learning if you got a call. My brain does not have processing power, storage, and efficiency. I just think it doesn't now. Looking like I gotta do all that, talk that shit. Living all that roundabout. Even if you good, and renaissance like I had a dope. Living on my adult life, I taught what a fairy tale. Living how to do, gotta set, what a yeah.
Right, this shit crazy.
And my brain does not have processing power, storage, and efficiency. I'm about to be the power, bolting on the block. You bustin' on the block, you bustin' on the block, man, you bustin' on the block, yeah. And my brain does not have processing power. It does not have inputs, it does not have outputs. Gotta be a luxury, be a old total free. Freaking on Rybar Einstein, talking about a kosher. My brain is not efficient. Yeah.
Right, this shit crazy.
Back to a beer. You don't wanna put me on TV. I hate when my songs get rejected or get flagged. Every time I'm trying to use a music distributor to use my song. Every time I'm trying to use a music distributor to get my song on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, and Spotify, and YouTube Music.
Right, this shit crazy.
When I try to use Root Note, they rejected my song and tried to flag it. I'm not a supercomputer, and my song got taken down, so I got mad. Yeah, they took down my song cause I was trying to distribute it on a distributor. I was trying to distribute my song on a distributor, and my song got flagged, and I got an email that said my song has been rejected and that my song has been flagged or taken down. And I did not get approved. These people don't care if I'm not a supercomputer. These don't care if I'm not a supercomputer.